chemical property is the next formation of halides for reaction towards halogen. So group 15 element जो नाइट्रोजन फास्फोरस आर्सेनिक एंटीमनी बिस्मथ से माने जतबेले हालोजन सहित रिएक्शन करूचंती when they combine or react with halogen से माने कोन करूचंती two types of halides they form two type of halide गोटा होची NX3 and NX5 NX3 and NX5 trihalides and pentahalides देखो trihalides all the group 15 element ताने एटी M may be nitrogen phosphorus arsenic antimony and bismuth पांचटा जाक एलिमेंट से माने कोन करूचंती ट्राइहालाइड all the 5 element can form ट्राइहालाइड किंतु पेंटाहालाइड यदि M is equal to except nitrogen phosphorus arsenic antimony and bismuth only these 4 elements they form pentahalides. Nitrogen does not form pentahalide. Kahi na nitrogen ro maximum valency is 3. It has maximum valency 3 because due to the absence of vacant d orbital in its valence. So the valency of nitrogen cannot be expanded beyond 3. तापर हम देखिए फॉर एग्जांपल NCl3 PCl3 ASCl3 SbCl3 BiCl3 trihalides pentahalides PCl5 ASCl5 SbCl5 and BiCl5 in the trihalides these trihalides फिर shape हमें determine करेगा the shape of the trihalides for example NCl3 what is the hybridization of the central atom nitrogen or 5 L 21 is equal to total number of valence electron 26 divided by 8 3 26 24 then 2 it is divided by 2 1 2 then 3 plus 1 4 then 4 number of hybrid orbital or hybridization is sp3 then the central atom nitrogen phosphorus arsenic antimony bismuth they undergoes sp3 hybridization and how many lone pair of electron 4 hybrid orbital number of surrounding atom is 3 then a lone pair is 1 and a bond pair is 3 then what will the shape then central atom चारिपटे रहउची केटा चारटा इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर तादुर तीनटा होची बॉन्ड पेयर गोटे होची लोन पेयर then the shape will be pyramidal then the trihalides have pyramidal next come to pentahalides what will the shape of pentahalides for example phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 एटी हाइब्रिडेशन केमिति हमें कैलकुलेशन करिवा phosphorus रे अछि 5 valence electron chlorine रे 7 into 5 40 ताने 40 हेले हमें डिवाइड करिवा 8 रे 5 हेले 40 ताने 5 होची नंबर ऑफ हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल 5 हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल इज 5 ताने 5 हेले कोन हो sp3d 1 plus 3 plus 1 5 ताने लोन पेयर केते 5 पेला सराउंडिंग एटम नंबर ऑफ हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल 5 ताने 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 ताने बॉन्ड पेयर इज 5 ताने जो पांचटा जक रहउची देयर आर 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अराउंड द सेंट्रल एटम आर ऑल बॉन्ड पेयर ताले जदि गोटे सेंट्रल एटम चारि पटे जदि पांचटा थिबो 5 बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ताले शेप कोन हबो trigonal bipyramidal. P and the two axial bond and the two equatorial bond. Cl, 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 Cl. This is trigonal bipyramid. That means the group between elements combines with the halogen to form two type of halide, trihalide and pentahalide. All the elements can form trihalide, but in case of pentahalide, केवल नाइट्रोजन को छाड़ी, except nitrogen, other element form pentahalide. कहीं नाइट्रोजन कहीं की करूँ ना due to the absence of vacant d orbital unit balance. तेणु से तार बैलेंस को 3 रु अधिक एक्सपांड करि पारि. मैक्सिमम तार बैलेंस होची 3. तापर देखो ए जो ट्राइहैलाइड्स, ए these trihalide except the trihalide of nitrogen, हमर जो ट्राइहैलाइड रहउची NCl3, PCl3, AsCl3, SbCl3 and BiCl3, except trihalide of nitrogen, all these trihalides react with water or they are hydrolyzed by water. But nitrogen trichloride does not react with water or not hydrolyzed, does not react with the water. Same reason, due to the absence of vacant d orbital in its valence. Therefore, nitrogen trichloride does not react with the water or are not hydrolyzed. So this is the difference between trihalide of nitrogen and trihalide of other elements. Next come to the third chemical property is the formation of oxide. That is formation of oxides or reaction towards oxygen. Generally, group 15 element form two type of oxide. When group 15 element जेतबे oxygen सहित combine करूची, it can form two type of oxide. One is N2O3, another is N2O5. For example, N2O3, P2O3, N2O5, P2O5, and +3 and +5 oxidation state. They show +3 oxidation state in case of trioxide, in case of pentoxide +5 oxidation states. The trioxide of N2O2, P2, N2O3, P2O3, AS2O3, they are acidic oxide. But Sp2O3 is amphoteric. But Bi2O3 is basic. These are acidic oxide. Why acidic oxide? Because they react with water, or when they dissolve in water to produce acid. And it is amphoteric because it reacts both with acid as well as base. But why it is basic? It reacts with the only acid. Therefore, it is basic in nature. But in case of pentoxide, N2O5, P2O5, AS2O5, Sp2O5, they are acidic in nature. And the acidic character gradually decreases down the group. कहीं डाउन को जीवा N2O5, P2O5 माने एसिडिक कैरेक्टर धीरे धीरे कमी कमी जीवो. कहीं की कम होची ना, दिस इज ड्यू टू This is due to the decrease in non-metallic character down the group. जदि नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर कमी कमी जाउची मेटालिक कैरेक्टर बॉडी बॉडी जदि नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर कमी कमी जीवो इफ नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीजेस ताले कोन हबो तो एसिडिक कैरेक्टर ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीजेस. सो दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज these three properties are the chemical properties of group 15. Formation of hydrides, formation of halides, another is formation of oxides. So in oxide it form two type of oxide, trioxide and pentoxide. Except the trioxide and pentoxide, nitrogen has an ability to form different oxides when they combine with the oxygen. Can nitrogen also show NO, N2O and NO2, N2O3. Besides N2O3 and N2O5, ये दुटा को छाड़ी देले nitrogen has an ability to form other oxide like NO, N2O and NO2. देखो एठी oxidation state are different. In case of NO, nitric oxide, nitrogen has +2. N2O, it is +1. NO2, it is +4. ताने नाइट्रोजन एठी कोन रहउची त नाइट्रोजन +1 +2 +3 +4 and +5 oxidation states. Then nitrogen has an ability to show the positive oxidation states like +1 +2 +3 +4 and +5, and the negative oxidation states -3 -3 negative oxidation state and positive oxidation state केटा 5. किंतु other element they show -3 oxidation state along with +3 and +5. ये को माने शो करे माने phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. ताई -3 oxidation state हला phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth have less tendency to form -3 oxidation state. काहेकि ना due to the increase in atomic size and decrease in electronegativity, but they can easily form +3 and +5 oxidation states. So this is the difference between nitrogen and the other element. Nitrogen काहेकि शो करूची ना due to its smaller size and higher electronegativity. Due to its smaller size and higher electronegativity, it shows more number of oxidation states like +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 along with the -3 oxidation states. So now the chemical properties of group 15 is over. First was the physical property, the second one was the chemical properties. In the next class we are going to start the preparation, properties and the uses of the important compounds of group 15 elements. Thanks.